Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Right, so today's video is all about badge reels. So quick story on why I'm making this video. So I had a friend sent me a TikTok. I don't have a whole lot of time between everything I have going on to get on social media. So I look at things really when people send them to me. And it's why I don't think I've posted on my Instagram in, oh my gosh, forever. But anyways, so this video was sent to me, and the way the video looks is that, you know, they're showing how to make this really cute pop socket, or not pop socket, badge reel, right? Well, basically the video is, you know, how on TikTok they'll put like people's messages up there and answer them whatever. And it was a message of someone asking about where they got their badge reels because they like the flat surface on it. And basically the person that was doing the video, they were not like showing how to make anything really. They were just selling their stuff. And they're like, you know, why would I give out my business secrets? So I don't know why, but that just sort of irritated me. And no, I'm not gonna say what the video was or anything like that, because that's just not nice. And, you know, a person has the right to not share if they don't want to. But I just think that these platforms and, you know, for putting out videos to make stuff, I mean, now granted, I don't sell things, and so maybe it's just a little bit different, but I see so many people who do sell things that are just so sweet that, you know, like show people how to do things, because there's enough room for everybody. Like, there's a lot of people in the world. There is room for everybody to do their thing. We all have different ways of doing things, and we all like different things. So, you know, nobody's gonna be the same. So why not share? Anyways, off my soapbox. It did just sort of irritate me, and I've never really put a whole lot of thought into my badge reels. I pick them up at the Dollar Tree because, again, I don't sell them. I just, you know, make things and give them away. So with that, I thought, you know what? I am going to just go through Amazon, look on Google, and just see what I can find, right? So I ended up buying all of these on Amazon. However, I did find, like, so there was a website that I really liked, and it was called the ID Specialists, and they had the similar, more expensive reels. And actually it turns out that this big bag of them that I got from Amazon is from them also. So anyways, you know, you can buy more of a bulk, but I just want to sort of give you an idea, and maybe it'll be helpful to you if you're like trying to start a business. So I didn't need all of these, so I'm gonna have badges for a gazillion years. However, here we go, right? All right, so you guys know I'm gonna start with my tried and true, right? So you guys know I pick up my badge reels at the Dollar Tree. Oh, look, I've got all these. This is my Dworo bag reels. And they come in 3 in a pack like this. There's different colors. I think that this is basically all the colors that they have. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. So these are now $1.25. They used to be $1. So they went from being about 33 cents a piece to about, you know, 40-ish cents a piece. And honestly, I've never had any problems with these. Zero problems at all. So I have this one, and since I saw this video, I've had this sort of like sitting away because I think that my dog must have drug it into the shower and I didn't see it there for a while, so it got wet and it's rusted from getting wet, if you can see. So of course I'm not using it, so I've just had it sitting, and then when this happened, I sort of clipped it to my little space out there where I work, and myself and my husband, every time we go by there, we pull it just to do like a gazillion pulls, right? And just see. So I will tell you, I have never had a Dollar Tree badge reel fall apart. I mean, maybe some people have, and I'm sure they're not perfect, but I have never had one fall apart. Now, the thing that I wish would be different is, you know, these have the belt clip. I personally prefer the alligator clip. But I've had really good luck with these. I mean, not to say that it will last forever, but I'm just saying I really have good luck with them. And if you're wondering how I could have this in my shower and not even notice it, it honestly is easy. So the whole reason we built this particular house is just for the shower. Like, the shower is seriously the size of a humongous walk-in closet. Like, we put Matthew's pool in there so he could play in the pool when it was cold outside. Left it in there for a month and never even noticed it in there. Like, so, you know, don't think that I'm crazy because I didn't notice this in my shower for a while. But anyways, there's these, okay? Now, I did also pick up some badge reels from Aliexpress. And, well, I can't seem to find them because that is what I do. Anyways, I haven't tried them yet, though, to be able to give you a good idea on them. But what I will say is they seem to be made about the same as the ones from the Dollar Tree. And also, a lot of them have alligator clips, which I like. But I think that they are the same ones. So you can find on Amazon packs of like hundreds, like 50 or 100 in multiple colors for super cheap. And I think those are the same ones from Aliexpress. So I can't tell you anything on them on whether or not they're good, but I did show them in my Aliexpress haul. So if you go there, you can see them. But the ones that I searched for are the ones that I want you to see. All right, so these are the ones that I think kind of mimic what the girl was talking about. All right, so these right here are from Amazon, and these were, I got a pack of 5 of them for $12.99. So that makes them, what, like a little bit more than $3.25, like between $3.25 and $3.50 a piece. So, you know, you would probably, you know, want to make your badge reel a little bit more to cover them, but it's still not that bad. And if you are making really in-depth badge reels and you wanted something that you knew would hold up, I feel like this is a really good option. And I will put these, you know, link these on the video. And remember, the other website I was talking about was ID Specialists. I did not buy them from there, but they have these same ones, and it looks like you can buy bigger bulk. So this one, so first of all, you can get this. This is with the chrome top, but you can also get it with black top, chrome back, or black and black. Now, the one thing is it is a belt clip, and I do wish that it was an alligator clip, although the belt clips do hold really good. Now this one, the tab is a thicker, more reinforced tab, and it does already have a little keychain piece on it. Now this is a larger badge reel, so look at the Dollar Tree size compared to that. So that's another really nice feature. And especially if you're gonna decorate directly on the badge rail instead of putting stuff on it, like that's a really nice feature. But if you were doing gemstones, like this is completely flat. So how like a lot of the badge reels have like these little places in them, they're sort of more concave. This completely flat. So the wire, I've pulled this a bunch of times, but this wire is very sturdy. So this is more of like I think it's like a synthetic covered wire. Like you probably won't be able to see it in the video, but it's like a braided, has like a braided look to it where it makes it very strong. So this is an extremely sturdy badge reel. And so I feel like, I mean, if you were doing a really in-depth badge reel that you were going to charge a pretty penny for because of your time and effort and what it is, I don't feel like, maybe adding $1 or $2 more to cover additional costs of the badge reel would be that big of a deal to have something that is good. And these have a 1-year warranty on them. Now you wouldn't be able to put beads on this because this is not made really to where you could easily, I mean, you could take it out through there and do that, but you'd be cutting a wire. Like I wouldn't put beads on these myself. If I was gonna put beads or additional stuff, I would do it from the ring areas, me personally. And I also think you would probably, forfeit the warranty if you did that. But these, a 1-year warranty, super sturdy, and so I thought that this was a really, really good option. And I personally think that I'm probably gonna buy a lot more of these. So again, between $3.25 and $3.50 a piece is what they come out to. Nice big surface, nice and flat, and yeah, like really nice. Now, no badge reel that I found had a 5-star rating. I could not find a badge reel with a 5-star rating unless there was only a couple like raters on there. But anything with a large amount of ratings, like 4 3/4 was the best that I found. This one had 283 ratings, 4 3/4 stars. So yeah, so this is a good one here. All right, so then this next one is a little bit different. So this is a 12 pack for $12.99. This one also had 4 3/4 stars, 157 ratings. And so these would be what, like a $12.99. There's 12 in a pack, so probably like $1.08 a piece, I guess. So these are also heavy duty. This one is a nylon cord. You could definitely add beads to this one. Now it's more of an oval. So as far as, if you like that. Now, the little snap on these are basically the same snap that all of them have, where those other ones had, a more sturdy and more bendable little snap piece there. This one does, though, also have a little place up here where you could add like keys or something like that. So I thought that that was really good, especially if you're making like teacher or nurse badge holders where, you need, like I keep an office key, stuff like that. So I thought that that was good. But you could also, use that to add different little charms or something, So these are cute, $12.99. They seem to be made really, really well. These would be a really good option. You'd have to be okay with the oval shape, which I think, you know, is also fine, especially if you want to do things that are taller than wider, like. And so again, $12.99, and you get 12 of these. Now, this one that I got, so I wanted to get something bulk also. And this I got off Amazon, but it is also still from that ID Specialists that have those very sturdy ones as well. So these, so there's 100 of them for $59. So probably about 60-ish, I'm just guessing off the top of my head, about 60-ish cents a piece. So a little bit more than the Dollar Tree ones, and you get them in bulk. And so these also have, these have like a 4.5-star rating with 2,339 reviews. So I haven't opened these yet. So one of the things that I did like about these, oh, okay, so they come in bags, so there's 4 bags, so there's probably 25 in a bag. So I like the fact that these are clear. So you could do something clear or with light glitter and be able to use them. All right, so, okay. So these are a little bit more expensive than the Dollar Tree ones, but they're about the same size, I think. Yeah, so about the same size. They're also not flat. They have that little, you know, round indent in there. They're basically made the exact same, except this one I like because it has a swivel and an alligator type clip. It's not technically a real alligator clip, but it's that same idea. The cord is nylon. So, and you can definitely put beads on them if you want. And this is nice because it's bulk with an alligator clip, which is, it's very hard to find bulk with an alligator clip. And again, you can add the beads to them. I would just, you know, make sure I always test them first. But this is not a bad price, $100 for $59. So listen, if you guys have any great places that you get badge reels that, you know, we could help each other out that are looking for them, you know, please, you know, leave it in the comments. And I hope that this was helpful. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.